PODD, stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end to find out. With Insulet Corporation, it's an already still 20% increase in price. Well, I like it, but just buying at the top will not make sense to me. I'm the only guy again in the space that's done 40,000 videos, documented them all. Thousands of dollars, I mean tens of thousands of dollars have been spent in courses and mentors. First thing on the list with my particular approach will be, I'm hoping, I mean, dreading confirm corrections, and only then I'm going to look for longs. If there is no double break, there is no such thing as me buying. So I'm going to be waiting for rules. And if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. I mean, I do have a lot of PODD stuff here. Not really, I lied, but yeah, live with it. I lied to you. That was autistic.